how I made 11,000 plus on Owodaily. What's up, guys? If you are new to Goswe Hustle channel, please
Kindly smash that subscribe button and don't forget to turn off the notification.
kindly smash that subscribe button and don't forget to turn off the notification bell so you are going to get notification whenever I drop a new video like this. On this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I made 11,000 plus on Owodaily. But before that, I'll first show you guys the various way in which you can make money with Owodaily. Owodaily is a website that a lot of people are making so much money. I'm making it big on Owodaily. Watch this video to the very end, because on the end of this video, I'm going to show you how I make this 11,000 plus on Owodaily. And if you implement it, I promise you, you are going to make this same amount and even more than that, because as I'm telling you now, I will keep on making money and I will be updating you guys. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do exact same thing and get exact same results.
Price of regret is much heavier than the price of discipline. You never want to wake up one day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year down the road and go, man, I wish I would have listened to my gut. I wish I would have done this thing. You don't want to live in regret. If there's something you want to get done in work, your relationships, school, whatever it is, do it.
So guys, number one way in which you can make money on Owodaily is by selling your product, physical product. Whether you are selling offline, but if you bring it on Owodaily, people can actually start selling it for you. At the end of the day, you keep on making profit. So this is you selling your product online. And let me tell you, the sweetest part of it is that you are not going to be the one selling it. All you need to do is to list it on Owodaily. People can actually start selling it for you, and you are going to be paying them commission. That is, they are going to be marketing your goods for you, your product for you, and you are going to giving them commission. Number two in which you can make money on Owodaily is by selling online course. If you have a course that you want to be selling online, you can list it on Owodaily and people can actually sell it for you. There is a lot of people on Owodaily. As right now I'm talking to you, there are about 30,000 members on Owodaily that can actually manage this for you, and you are going to be sitting on your room and you are making your money. And lastly, another way in which you can make money with Owodaily is by completing simple tasks on Owodaily. A lot of people have been sharing people's video, liking, subscribing. Don't you know that all these things you can actually get paid by doing it? On Owodaily, there is what they call job. A lot of people are posting job, which is like follow, like, watch my video and all these things. Once you've done that on Owodaily, you are going to make money for it. Just simply sharing people's video, liking, commenting, and all these things actually money. So instead of you to be doing it more free, often on social media like Facebook, and you can actually join Owodaily and start liking people's video, sharing people's video, and be making money with it.
Wow.
So this is the various way in which you can actually make money with Owodaily. But this is not how I make this 11,000 plus. But the question now is whether Owodaily is free or you need to pay. Okay guys, before I answer that question, don't forget to like this video, share it to your friends, let them know that they can actually make money with Owodaily in this 2023. So joining Owodaily is not free. But another question that you might be thinking now is how much? So to join Owodaily, you will need to pay the sum of 3,000 naira. So they have Owodaily Plus, which is VIP member. So guys, I promise you guys at the end of this video, I will tell you exactly how I make this money, because I don't make my money by selling courses or selling physical products, even completing tasks. This is not how I make this 11,000 plus on Owodaily. I joined Owodaily with just 3,000 naira, and what do? I just go straight to the affiliate program and join the affiliate program. Once you join Owodaily, you have access to join the affiliate program. This is fast approval. And if I refer one person to Owodaily, I'm going to make 2,500 naira, and this is absolutely insane. I refer two persons and I make 5,000 naira. I also refer another two persons and make another 5,000 naira, which is 10,000 naira. This is how I make this money. So guys, as you can see, Owodaily has a multiple way in which you can start making money just by joining with 3,000 naira. I leave a link on the description of this video below. If you are interested to join and start making this money, you can actually use my link and join. And with that, you are also helping this channel to grow. I will encourage you guys to please use my link and join Owodaily today, because people are making it so much on Owodaily, and they keep on making this money. You need to start doing something today. It does not mean that you are going to have some big shop or some high demanding and start making money. This is how you start upgrading small. Before you know it, you will grow more. Pause. Wait. Have you heard about Bluehost before? I guess no, or probably yes. Do you want to have a website and you are looking for affordable and reliable hosting? Bluehost can actually do this job for you. I have a website, affiliatesite.info, and this website is 100% monetized with Google AdSense. And let me tell you, this website is 100% under Bluehost. Bluehost is a web hosting company that provides various hosting services, including share hosting, cloud hosting, and dedicated servers. They offer a range of plans to meet the needs of different customers, from individual to large businesses. Additionally, they provide 24/7 customer support and a variety of tools and resources to help customers manage their website. Bluehost has been in business since 2002 and has a reputation for providing reliable hosting services at an affordable price. Wow! One thing I like about Bluehost is that others give you 30 days money back guarantee, but to prove that they know what they are doing, they give you 91 days money back guarantee. So if you are not satisfied within 91 days period, you can request refund and they are going to refund your money. That is so interesting. So I want to encourage you to use my link. If you use my link and host your website, you are going to get a free domain name .com.net domain name, and also you are going to get 2 months free. So use my link on the description of this video below and host your website today and thank me later. And one more thing, don't forget that you can still send us a super thanks and share our videos, like, leave a comment. Thanks.
When you are struggling and you start thinking about giving up, I want you to remember the power of hope. The belief that something better is always possible if you're willing to work for it and fight for it. Our hope that if we work hard enough and believe in ourselves, then we can be whatever we dream, regardless of the limitations that others may place on us. The hope that when people see us for who we truly are, maybe, just maybe, they too will be inspired to rise to their best possible selves.